Welcome to this video. Today we are making crispy cornflakes chicken tenders. These are so easy to make, so good, and so macro friendly. I am using chicken breast for this video. You can use chicken tenders, or if you're doing like me, just quarter them into roughly the same size pieces. Now we are going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl, and we're gonna add our spices to this. You can use whatever you like, but I have my own spice mixture that I love, and that is some garlic and some sweet pepper powder. Of course, we are going to put salt on everything. Salt the egg mixture, and then later we will salt the chicken as well, just to make sure every layer has some flavor. Now into a large Ziploc bag, I'm putting it into the bowl just to make it easier to pour into it. I am pouring in about 170 grams of cornflakes. You don't have to use the real cornflakes brand, but I find it a little bit thinner and more delicate, so it does get a little bit more crispy in my personal opinion. Now we are just going to seal this bag. Crush the cornflakes into sort of a finely milled powder. It's much easier to coat the chicken if you have kind of a fine coating. Then we're just gonna pour it into a bowl, and I will add some additional seasoning, more garlic, more paprika, and then I added some chicken seasoning. This one's called kycklingen. It's an Icelandic one. It has salt in it. And then I am adding salt to the seasoning mix and the chicken. Now just stir that all together and we will get ready to assemble. I am gonna put some olive oil into this mix and mix it well. Do not skip this. Trust me, it is important. It does this thing where it gives the crunch, I guess. But 6 grams is enough. You can add more if you want to, but not necessary. Now I'm gonna just take out some air fry liners and start dunking the chicken into the egg mix, and then coating it, and then dropping it into the cornflakes, a few pieces at a time, and then I'm just using a spoon to coat over the chicken. And then into the air fry thing and to the air fryer for 15 minutes. I do mine at 200 degrees Celsius. Very easy. Usually I just plop one into the air fryer and then start the next one, you know, so I'm using time. But this didn't take any time at all, honestly. Seems like it did take a long time, but it was like 15 minutes from start to finish. But you can also put this on a big tray and bake it in the oven if you want to, but I just know how it works in the air fryer, so that's what I do. Now I am just doing the last batch. The boys were so excited waiting for me to do this. They love this recipe, especially my oldest. You will see a clip of him at the end finishing like a whole tray of this and then some. now just finish with the rest of the crunch and bake. I accidentally tried it. I have before, but look. Seriously, I don't like chicken breast. This is so good. And I have Greek yogurt and sriracha. I mean, come on. We have to make it. Är det gott? Ja.